Hello everyone, this is Austin behind Origami Guy 04, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool pinwheel ninja star that I designed recently. And it's got a really cool design on it, and this is from 4 modules, and it's really easy to fold. And this is actually based on one that Dutch paper folder made right here. And this model is actually the same thing as his, except it's my variation because I added an extra fold to make this design on it, whereas his doesn't have all this on it. So this is my version with the design on it, and I'm going to show you all how to make this right now. Alright, let's go and get started. So to fold this model, you need 4 sheets of paper, and I'm going to use 3-inch squares for the modules. So to get 4 3-inch squares from a 6-inch square, this is what you do. Okay, so we're going to fold in half both ways. Increase really sharply. Unfold, rotate, and fold in half the other way. Okay, and now you could cut them out using scissors, but I'm going to tear them off. So if you are going to tear it off, I recommend reversing the creases. So turn over, and we're reversing the creases. Like this. And I think it's best to just reverse them a couple times. Okay, there, that's good enough. And now make a tear on the top here. Okay, and then now place it on a flat surface and just separate your hands. Just like that. And now we're going to do it with this one and this one. So same thing. Make a small tear on the top, and then place it down and spread. And then same thing here. Boom, like that. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make one module, and the other 3 you're going to make on your own. Okay, so let me zoom in here. So we're going to begin with the white side up. So we're making a blue module with a white design on it. And we're going to fold in half. Okay, unfold, and now fold both sides to the crease you just made. Okay, and now we're going to take this edge and fold it up to this edge. Okay. And increase that sharply. Now rotate 180 degrees, and we're going to do the same thing. So take this edge and fold it up to this edge. And be sure to keep the layers down so they don't slide as you're doing this. Okay, unfold. And now see these 2 white corners that got folded? We're going to unfold those. Like this. And we're going to tuck them inside. Just like this. Alright, and now we're going to refold this flap, but sticking it into the pocket. Just like this. And rotate and do the same thing. So open this pocket, and then refold this, tucking this inside. Just like that. Alright, now if you just want to make the ninja star that Dutch paper folder made, then don't do this step. You're done with one module. But if you want to make my variation, then here's the secret fold to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up in between the center point and this corner. That's all. Just like that. And you want to repeat that on this side too. So fold it up in between the center and the corner. Just like that. And there is one module. Alright, now you want to make 3 more of these. Alright, so once you got all the modules done, now it's time to attach them. So this is rather easy. So all we're going to do is we're just going to take 2 of them like this and just orient them just like this, and just stick one corner underneath that edge, just like that, as far as it goes. And you want to make sure that the edges right there align too, those 2 folded edges. Okay? And now to lock it in place, we're gonna turn over, and I gotta zoom in, and by holding it down against the desk, fold this up, aligning it with that raw edge you see below there. You see it? And it should hit the corner right there. And there you go. See, now it's locked. Alright. And now, next one. This is gonna go into this one. Alright, so just stick it in there, like that, and turn over to lock it. And make this fold. Alright, and crease it really sharply. It does get a little bit thick right there, because that's where that flap is inside. And crease it nice and sharply. Alright, next one, the last and final one, goes into there, like that. And then turn back over. And just hold it against the surface and fold up like this. Okay. And now this last one. Same thing. Bring the flap in front like that, and we're gonna stick it in the pocket. Just like that. And let's go ahead and lock it. So fold in between the corner, and so it aligns with the raw edge below. Alright, and there you have it. There it is, the Origami Pinwheel Ninja Star with a cool design on it. And yeah, this is so new I haven't even named it yet, but it is really cool looking. I love it. And oh, I do want to tell you it doesn't fly. This is more just like a display model. But yeah, it looks really cool. I love it. And it's so easy to fold. And I don't really know what else to say, except it's cool looking and it doesn't fly. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed making this Origami Pinwheel Ninja Star. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you later. Alright, bye-bye.